How to unblock email in Outlook, or how you can unblock the specific email address on your Outlook. Okay, so there is a particular situation you can block or unblock the sender in Outlook. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so in Outlook, let me open my Outlook here. Okay, so uh, you can unblock the sender. So first let me show you where you can find out the block list. Go to the home, and under the delete option you can see the find the junk. Just click on the arrow and go to the junk email options, and here you can see the save sender and the block sender. So in under the block I don't have anything, so I just block someone. I'll show you. So let me show you here. Okay, in this email id I have blocked twitter.com, info.twitter.com. so this is like I can also block some domain. So particular, if I get any emails from this domain, like info at the rate twitter.com, or security dot at the rate twitter.com, all email will be sent to the junk. Okay, so if you want to remove it, just select and you can remove on it, and it will now if when you remove it onwards, you will all message from twitter.com or mention it domain.com will receive in your inbox. But if there is situation, if you want to block this domain, but if you want to unblock, or if you want to receive from particular email from this on this domain in your inbox. Okay, if you want to receive some emails or particular sender emails in your inbox, and you can also make it. Okay, so go to the keep so make it, don't remove it, just keep it. If you want to remove, you block the this domain, just skip it and go to the save recipient, and here you can add like info at twitter.com. So when you add some particular email id in save recipient, so if from now onwards, when you receive emails from this email id only, it will be received, it will be come to your inbox only, but rest of email with this domain will send to the junk folder. Okay, so that is how you can unblock the peoples, or make the unblock the particular email id. So if you want to block all emails from this domain, just you not need to add here, just remove it and add the domain name, and just remove the domain name, then it will be unblocked. Okay, then all email from this domain, it will be received on your inbox. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.